Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to change your KYC name in Pi Network. If your Pi account name and KYC name do not match, it would normally have their applications rejected due to their failure to prove their ownership. However, as community reports show, there is a possibility that genuine pioneers face this situation. You need to appeal for a chance to submit your application with corrected details or update the Pi account name to their KYC's name with a potentially of forfeiting part of the mobile. Eligible pioneers will see in the Pi KYC app this text about the KYC application rejection due to name. So all you have to do is go there and change your name. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.